I would say, in thinking about challenges for the industry, some of the biggest areas that I see are rapidly escalating cost of operations, especially on the distribution side, supplementing utility costs, labor costs, and everything else that everyone knows is going up. And the rates are not moving up commensurate with the costs. So bottom line is being squeezed, and it's been, for hotel operators and owners, very challenging to try to keep profit levels where they need to be to cover debt service and other fixed expenses. This increase in distribution costs brings with it many new distribution players, many new opportunities to get business through other channels. So what used to be kind of a choice of either you get it through your website or you get it through an online travel agency is now being expanded, and there are many more opportunities for a hotel to get business through search engines and through mobile vendors and through social media platforms. So the choices in the way that consumers can actually shop and book their travel has expanded. That creates challenges at the hotel level and the brand level to know which ones they should be paying attention to, but it provides opportunities because it offers many more options for one hotel to differentiate themselves and be smarter, faster, quicker, more efficient than their competitor. Game-changing advances in our industry are, in my mind, pretty close on the horizon. I anticipate there will be some pretty massive changes, particularly in the area of distribution, which I pay close attention to, and the effect that that has on branding. It's not clear yet if hotels are starting to get a substantial amount of business through intermediaries or search, social, mobile players. If more and more business comes through these channels before it actually comes to the website, some of the hotels may feel that it's not worth paying a traditional brand to bring the business that they're getting through the third parties anyway. On a brand level, many of the brands right now are developing what are called attribution models. They're looking at all of the touch points they have with consumers and trying to figure out the patterns of which ones are recurring as the ones that seem to bring more of the business, so that they can put more of their resources in that and direct the hotels accordingly. There's a lot that will be developing in that area, and attribution modeling will be something that I think many of the hotels will depend on the brands to deliver, and it may be a new kind of benefit the brands can offer to compensate for the loss of the business that they used to bring directly. They can provide this as another service that a hotel really can't provide for themselves.